Hello everyone, in this session we are going to have a look at defense procurements for the year 2020 to 2021. See, in this session we'll cover the deals with various countries like USA, Russia, Israel, Turkey, France, Armenia. And these questions are very important in your various written examinations as well as for your SSB. Like they can play an important role in your GD as well as maybe the questions can be asked in your personal interview. So we'll move forward to the session, and the first is USA. From the USA, we have done BECA. What is BECA? BECA is basically a basic exchange and cooperation agreement for geospatial cooperation, and it was 2+2 dialogue on 27th October. It was signed. Through this deal, the access to high quality geospatial data will become possible. And India and USA are also set to sign the Maritime Information Sharing Technical Arrangement, that is MISTA, to enhance cooperation between their navies. Now we'll discuss the India-US Apache contract. In this contract, India have signed they have signed $930 million agreement for 6 Apache helicopters for Indian Army. And the contract was made in the year 2015 by Indian Air Force for 22 Apache helicopters. Out of 22, 17 have already been delivered, and the rest will be delivered in the year 2023. And talking about these helicopters, they have advanced digital connectivity, joint tactical information distribution system, more powerful engine with upgraded phase gear transmission to accommodate more power, and capability to control UAV. Now we'll talk about MH60 Romeo deal. This deal includes helicopters, communication systems, weapon systems, 8 anti-surface Hellfire missiles which can be used to hit at ships, Mk-54 lightweight torpedoes, 50 cannons, and a precision rocket system. And these helicopters are manufactured by Lockheed Martins. So the next one is India-US Guardian drone deal. In this deal, the US and Indian government, they have signed a $2 to $3 billion deal for the drones, and the US government had cleared the sale of the 22 Predator drones. These drones are manufactured by General Atomics. See, the Guardian drone can be used for wide area, long endurance, maritime intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, and it can stay put for 27 hours in air and can fly at 50,000 feet. And see, the Indian Navy made the request of ISR. What is ISR? ISR is Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance in 2017. So it is a part of that only. And we'll talk about the Indo-US defense deal of naval guns. There was a deal with US to obtain 13 Mk-45 naval guns. The Mk-45 gun system will actually help India to conduct anti-surface warfare and anti-defense mission. The next one is Chinook. See, 15 Chinook. What is Chinook? Chinook is a multi-role vertical lift platform which is used for transport of troops, artillery, equipment, and fuel. And it is inducted in Indian Air Force on 27th of May 2020. And the Chinook, they have capability to airlift the M777 lightweight howitzer that Indian Army is buying. What this means? This actually means that these artillery guns can be taken from one position to another using the helicopter, even if it is inhospitable terrain. See, we'll now move forward to our deals with Russia. That is S-400 system. What is S-400? In this actually, S-400 air defense system. It is a missile for air defense. The next one is R-27 missile. What is R-27? R-27, this is an air-to-air missile, and it will be equipped in Su-30 MKI combat aircraft. And it will boost India's capabilities beyond visual range warfare, that is also known as BVR warfare. The next one is Kamov K-2226. What is this? This is a helicopter. See, it was a deal signed between Russian helicopters and Indo-Russian helicopters limited to localize the components used in Kamov Ka-226 helicopters. And India is actually planning to purchase 200 helicopters. Now we'll move forward to our deal with Israel. The deal with Israel is of Negev machine gun. What is Negev machine gun? It is actually a light machine gun which is a gas operated. It is a 7.62 into 51 mm light machine gun, and The deal was signed of rupees 880 crores with Israel Weapon Industries to procure 16,479 Negev guns. Now we'll look at the defense procurement from Turkey. From Turkey, we have signed a flat vessel ship agreement. See, in October 2019, India put the FVS, what is Fleet Vessel Ship Agreement, on hold after questions were raised on Turkey's link with Pakistan and recent diplomatic tiff with the Recep Tayyip Erdogan government. The Turkish shipyard are major supplier of warship to the Navy of Pakistan, and this raised serious security concerns. However, in Feb, the government of India had given a nod to go ahead with 2.3 billion deal after reviewing the concerns. Under this agreement, what will happen? The Turkish company will manufacture 5 fleet vessel ship of 45,000 ton at HSL. What is HSL? It is Hindustan Shipyard Limited. And where is it? It is in Vishakhapatnam. And see, these ships will be used by the Indian Navy to carry fuel and other supplies to refuel its warship. Now we'll discuss our defense deal with France. From the France, we have a deal of 36 Rafale jet for worth 59,000 crore, and it was an emergency purchase to arrest the worrying side in IAF's combat capabilities. The 5 Rafale fighter jets which landed in Ambala, they resurrected the number 17 Golden Arrows Squadron of Indian Air Force, and it will take the IAF squadron strength to 31 when all the 36 Rafale jets are delivered. It will take it to 32 squadron. And talking about Rafale, it is a state-of-art 4.5 generation, and it can reach almost double the speed of sound with the top speed of 1.8 Mach. With its multi-role capabilities including electronic warfare, air defense, ground support and in-depth strike, the Rafale lends air superiority to Indian Air Force. Now we'll discuss the India's defense deal with Armenia. With Armenia, we have done a 4 Swati weapon locating radar. See, on March 1st, 2020, India signed a $40 million deal with Armenia, Europe, to supply 4 weapon locating radar. What is the name? Name is Swati, SWATHI. And these radars are capable of locating weapons and are developed by DRDO and manufactured by BEL. What is DRDO? Defense Research and Development Organization. And BEL is Bharat Electronics Limited. This deal will strengthen Make in India initiative actually, and it will embrace the Indian defense system. So that's all for the session. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and do follow our Instagram page, that is Officers Mind.